In northern Europe lies a country known for simplicity, happiness, modern design, and peaceful beauty, Denmark. A land where colorful cities, scenic coastlines, historic castles, and calm countryside come together to create a unique Scandinavian atmosphere. From charming streets and waterfront harbors to quiet villages and endless seaside views, Denmark offers beauty in the simplest moments. At the heart of Denmark is Copenhagen, one of the most beautiful and livable cities in the world. Colorful buildings line the waterfront while bicycles move through clean and organized streets. Historic architecture stands beside modern Scandinavian design, creating a city that feels both timeless and innovative. Cafes, canals, parks, and lively public spaces give Copenhagen a peaceful yet vibrant energy. As the sun reflects across the harbor and city lights begin to glow, the atmosphere becomes calm, warm, and unforgettable. Danish culture is built around balance, comfort, and enjoying everyday life. The famous concept of Hygge represents warmth, relaxation, and happiness found in simple moments. Whether gathering with friends, enjoying coffee in a cozy cafe, or watching the rain beside candlelight, Denmark embraces a slower and more meaningful way of living. Across the country, people value nature, sustainability, creativity, and quality of life. Beyond the cities, Denmark reveals peaceful natural landscapes. Rolling green fields, quiet farms, forests, and small villages create calm scenery across the countryside. The coastline stretches for miles with sandy beaches, dramatic cliffs, and charming fishing towns beside the sea. Lighthouses stand proudly along the shore, while boats rest quietly in colorful harbors. The connection between land and sea can be felt everywhere in Denmark. Denmark is also rich in history and tradition. Ancient castles, royal palaces, and historic streets preserve stories from centuries past. From Viking heritage to elegant royal architecture, history continues to shape the identity of the country. Walking through Denmark feels like stepping into a blend of old-world charm and modern simplicity. Every season gives Denmark a different atmosphere. Spring and summer fill the countryside with green landscapes and long bright evenings. Autumn brings golden colors and peaceful rainy streets. During winter, cities glow with warm lights, cozy cafes, and festive holiday markets that create magical Scandinavian scenes. Even the quietest streets feel cinematic. Denmark is also known around the world for innovation, sustainability, architecture, and design. Despite its modern progress, the country remains deeply connected to simplicity and nature. Clean energy, cycling culture, and environmentally friendly living are part of everyday life. It is a country where modern living feels calm rather than rushed. As this journey through Denmark comes to an end, one feeling remains: peace. Denmark is more than beautiful scenery and historic cities. It is a lifestyle built around balance, comfort, and appreciating life's simple moments. A place where colorful streets meet quiet coastlines, where history blends with modern design, and where happiness can be found in everyday life. This is Denmark, peaceful, modern, and beautifully Scandinavian.